Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error. Servers are down, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do, just type here device manager, click on it, and then once you're here, go to processors, and now make sure to update all those drivers here. Right click update and search automatically for updates, and then the next one by one into the last one here, and then close it. After that, type here file explorer, and now you have to go to this PC and then local disk, then go to Windows. Once you're here, scroll down until you find system 32, and then type here ATC and click enter, and now click on it. And after that, just create a new folder on your desktop and name it backup, just for backup, and then right click on hosts and click cut. Now go to backup and paste it here, click continue. That's it, just right click and click paste, and then your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.